if you just open your eyes for me, Chloe. So we're going to tape up our bottom lashes. Just look back. And if you use your finger, you can pull it down a little bit so it's easier to get to them. You're going right up to the waterline, but not on it. And it doesn't matter really how many you use, how many pieces of tape you use, as long as all the lashes are secure. Because that's what's gonna, if there is any issues with sticking, the lashes sticking together, it's usually the bottom lashes what cause the problem. Just close your eyes for me. Are they all right for you? Not digging in? Always check with your client that it's not digging in their eyes. Check and assess your client's natural lashes, the length, the thickness, the direction. Give them a good brush through. And then once you've chose your length and the style of lash that you're going to do, you can start the application. On the outer edges, because the natural lashes are smaller, we're going to start off with a smaller length. We're using 11 millimeters. So you want to be going in and isolating on your natural lash. Once you've got the natural lash isolated, dip your extension in the glue, and then for the application, you sliding it along. There's a few different techniques which I'll show you how to do it, but you want to be rubbing that glue that you've just dipped all the way across. Now, sometimes if the lash turns, you just need to grab it and hold it in the right direction for a couple of seconds just so it sets. So the direction you want is coming back this way, and the direction on each lash extension should be the same way. Now I'm going to go into the inner corner. Usually we would be doing 2 eyes, but just for this demonstration, I'm going to do the one on this side and then go on to one on the other side. That way, it just gives the glue enough time to set and it doesn't seep down to the bottom of the natural lash, causing them to stick together. So when you're isolating, you just want to, you can use your fingers like I'm using, it's a little bit quicker here. And you just want to make sure that that lash is on its own and it's not going to be sticking any other lashes together. Once they dry, you can move them because they're stuck on then and they won't go anywhere if they've attached properly. So you can see I'm going down the front of it here just because it's a bit easier to get to it, but there is no right way. You can go down the back, down the front, or slide it down the side. So when you're isolating, you want to be leaving a little 2 millimeter gap when you're applying the extension. That's just so when the natural lashes grow, they're not stuck to anything and they can grow naturally and shed without any irritation. If it's too close to the skin, then it won't be able to shed properly. So we've finished the classic set. What you need to do before you take the tape off, you need to give them a good brush through and make sure none are slightly stuck together at the bottom. So when you do that, you should be able to see that they're all like that, one natural lash to one extension. You will get ones that are stuck together, because even I do and everybody does. It's just the glue that goes down to the bottom. So as long as you just separate them and you're just grabbing them and peeling it a little bit away, it's only usually right at the bottom there where it sticks together. Give them a good brush. Sometimes if you pull the back, you can see as well down the back, and then that's it. You just want to leave them to dry a bit. Just give them a good brush, make sure none are attached, and that's it, you're done.